It's the end of the semester and I've been teaching a lot of classes on tech packs. And one question that comes up regularly is, what the heck are callouts? Callouts are magnifying images of design details that you want to call attention to and make sure the manufacturer doesn't overlook. It could be things like a specific type of seam or specific construction, a certain type of trim like waterproof zippers, or even a hidden pocket. And what you'll usually do is magnify the size of the detail on the sketch and add an arrow and text calling out what the detail is and or why it's important to pay attention to. Occasionally, you'll have to create separate sketches that show even more detail of the construction. And sometimes we've even added pictures. When I was working on outerwear, we needed the zipper puller attached in a specific way. So we would show step-by-step pictures of the designer looping the puller through the zipper slider. These callouts go on the design details page, and if you have my free tech pack template, that's the second tab in the Excel file. You can add the arrow and text in Illustrator or in Excel, but the main thing is that you actually do it. I had a lot of students just add a picture to the design details, and when I get to that page in their tech pack, I'm like, what am I looking at? Callouts are yet another important detail to add to the tech pack, probably the third most important, with the detailed flat sketch and bill of materials being first and second. And since the callouts are often based on the flat sketch, it's even more important that your sketch be as accurate as possible. I know that's something I always say, but it's pretty important. Thanks for watching today's video. If you need a tech pack template to start with, make sure you click the link in the description for my free template. And if you need step-by-step help understanding how to create a tech pack, make sure you check out my course, Creating a Fashion Tech Pack. And there's also a link to that in the description. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful. Have an awesome week, and I'll see you next time.